Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a channel to your Teams on Microsoft Teams for Office 365 web-based on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an Office 365 account, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account, and then go to the left-hand side navigation menu, or go to the bottom left corner of the screen where we have all apps. Click on this, go to Teams, and then go to the team we will be working with, Media Trial. Go to the right of the team itself where we see the three dots. Click on this. Now we can add a channel. Let's just choose a channel name. This can be Video Ideas. Automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. Yes. Privacy, standard, accessible to everyone on the team. Absolutely. Or we can do private, accessible only to a specific group of people who you choose. Let's just click on Add. Adding the channel, and now we have a new channel called Video Ideas. And so that's how you add a channel to a team on Microsoft Teams for Office 365. So we can quit Teams, quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.